Have you ever picked up a canvas that has been leaning up against something and it causes this little dimple in the canvas? And it looks like it's you can't use it? Well, have no fear, there is a fix for this. And all you do is you turn it around to the reverse, and because the stretch canvas is cotton, all you need to do is take some water on a towel and dab it real good. Rub it in, get it good and wet. And when that dries, that dimple will be gone. And you can see right now that it's already becoming less and less. But once it's completely dry, that dimple is going to be all gone. Only do it on the back side, because the back side is not treated. So you're putting it straight onto the cotton weave, and as it dries, I can put a little bit more on here. So I'm not going to use this canvas for a minute. And now you can barely see it, because it's pulling the fibers back nice and tight. Look at that. This even works on paintings that are already done. My daughter had a painting that was, I guess she didn't know how to fix it. She threw it in the trash, and I took it out and did this, and it fixed it just perfectly. Stretched it right back to where it needed to be.